In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take your provisional cast on stitches and move them onto a needle. Obviously, you need your work and your knitting needle. To start off, we ended with that knot that I told you not to tie too tightly because you need to untie it. So that's how we're starting off, untying that knot. And your chain stitch will just very easily pull right out as long as you haven't made it really tight. I'm going to start off by putting your needle into this very first stitch. You see this? Your knitting stitch that's right here? Just put your needle in to save that stitch, pull your yarn. Okay? Now, go into your next stitch. Save that stitch onto your needle, and at this point, because of how we tied this yarn on, the end of your yarn is frequently kind of stuck right there. You just have to turn your work over, pull it out. You shouldn't have that problem from after this first stitch. It's just that very first one that always seems to get stuck up in there. Alright, so we caught our next stitch and we pull. Look, careful not to pull too hard. You may lose more stitches than you want to. Pick up your next knit stitch, pull out your chain. There is no reason why you can't pick up several knit stitches. I know when I'm making a waistband that has a lot of stitches, I will frequently do that. I'll just pick up several stitches and then pull the chain out. All you're doing is picking up the stitch, putting it on your needle, removing the chain. Pick up the stitch, put it on your needle, remove the chain. Pick up the stitch, put it on your needle, remove the chain. Okay, remember we started off with 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now this last stitch, first stitch and last stitch, always seem to be a little bit funky. Alright, so remove that chain and again untwist your yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We started with 10 and we managed to get 10 back onto our needle. That is always good. Now from here, you just work your pattern however you are supposed to. You now have live stitches on both ends. This particular piece is going to become a picot edge waistband or hem, and you can find that tutorial along with many others here at jessieathome.com.